Hello traders, hope you are doing well and your trading day is also going well. So guys, whatever we had did analysis previous day, exactly market has reacted the same and see, and from this point 25,150 market has shown a rally and it has reached to 25,340. So if you had watched my previous video, so that definitely you would have booked the profit. So guys, we'll find out today's action plan, what will be the market reaction today. Now it's 7:30 and we'll find out exactly where is the exact entry point. We'll find out for today's market. Okay, so let's quickly draw a resistance and support according to that option chain. So here you can see 25,350 is the current strike price. Sorry here. Okay, so 25,350 is current strike price. So in put side we have to find out maximum put writer. So you can see here in 25,200 there is nearly 1,15,000 put writers are there. So we'll draw a trend line in the same strike price 25,200. So this will act as a support 25,200. Let me draw. Okay, this is our support level. And in call side, we can see here in 26,000 and one smaller is 25,500 and 26,000. Let me quickly draw 25,500, this one. So guys, don't use any indicator, maximum indicator, only you have to analysis without any indicator and try to use minimum and mostly use trend line because it works perfectly. If you will use multiple indicator, you will be confused and you will end up your money. One mistake can take your money. Okay, so let me draw a smaller also. A smaller support, small support is here in 25,300. This is very small, this is not required. 25,300. So here is also one small support is there and resistance small one. You don't have to check like for strike, you have to see in closer strike price, that will work fine. See in total also if you will say open interest of call side 12 lakhs and in put side 14 lakhs. So now also market is in positive trend. Okay, in call side let me check 25,450, 25,450, yeah, this one around here. Okay, so now we found out resistance and supports. Now we'll draw a trend line. So guys, if I'll draw a channel, if you'll see, all market always goes inside a channel. So whenever market hits upper channel, you have to plan for put, and when market hits lower side, lower channel, lower trend line of the channel, So you have to plan for call side. See, let me draw. See, if you will see market how it has like got market went here, come down, market again hit upper channel, came again upper channel, again came down, upper channel, and it came down. When market reach this point, you can see here this point, and when it will creates positive pattern, means bullish pattern, like bullish Murumuju, bullish engulfing, and small double bottom pattern. So you can plan for call side from here, this level 25,000 25,200. In this level you have to plan for call side. Okay, so let me delete everything. Okay, yeah, fine. So let's jump into the bigger time frame, in daily time frame, and we will draw resistance and supports as per bigger time frame. Always try to analyze in multiple time frame. See, if we will draw a trend line from this level, yeah, this is our upper trend line, lower trend line is not required now because market is moving upside, and will find out the resistance. So this trend line will act as the major resistance. So now let's again jump into the 5-minute time frame, and if we'll see at what level that bigger resistance is there. You can see here around 25,550. That's why so maximum big bull have written the puts here, and their point of view is that market will not go up from here, market will reverse back. So whenever market reaches this point, and it creates bearish engulfing pattern or any bearish pattern, you have to plan for put. So mark this level 25,500. So this is the crucial level 25,500. So market, how market will behave? So in today's market, so let me quickly draw. So today when if market will open upside in like a gap up open, it will again come back to this level. Anyhow market will come to 25,200, and from here only it will go upside. Market never goes like it will open up and it will start rally towards upside. Market never behaves like this. Market always create a channel and always moves inside the channel only. Got it? So we'll give me a moment. So if market opens gap up, market has to come down only, and if markets like break down this level, let me draw. If market break down this level 25,300, then it will try to fill the gap. It will try to fill the gap. This is the gap. If market breaks this level 25,300, it will come down to anyhow this level 25,200. This is the support, and as per our option chain also this is the support, and as per our trend line also this is the support. This will work as a major support, and from here market will go upside. You can see here this is the high, and if this high doesn't break, that means definitely market will come down. Okay, so you have to plan here. If it goes up, and if market open gaps up and it When it reaches the upper channel, you have to plan for put, and if markets gap down and if this breaks, then you have to wait for retracement and you have to plan for put only. So when market reaches this level 25,200, then only you have to plan for call side. Okay, and after that when market reaches 25,500, you can plan for again for towards downfall. Okay, so that's all guys. So guys, if you are if you like my video, please hit subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe here. Please subscribe so that I'll feel energetic and I can focus on deep dive analysis, and I'll make a video on this.